Hi guys, just wanted to show you a simple technique how you can help yourself a little bit in this not very pleasant time where we can be anxious and stressed. Now we have to find tools to help ourselves to stay grounded, and grounding is connected to root chakra, the chakra that is at the base of our spine, and it is color red. And we can use simple tools like breathing in, and as we breathe out we use the vowel U, which is actually creating vibration, connecting us to the earth. At the same time, you can imagine in your head that the roots are growing out from your feet, and they're going into the earth, and they're actually going around and holding the earth, so you're connected to Mother Earth like a tree. So let's start with the breathing. I'll show you how to do it quickly, and then you can do it yourself. So we breathe in. That way you can slowly go into your restful and peaceful state. I hope it's gonna help. You can do it for as long as you want. It can be like 5 minutes. You can be even shorter time, but try to do it in a day a few times. Wear color red. That is the color of the root chakra. And see you soon. Bye.